Hi to all the wonderful people out there. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would be talking about face washes. I have been using these face washes for quite some time. Few of them I have been using for years. So I could certainly say that these face washes would work well on all skin type. During hot and humid condition, our skin generally tends to get oily and that clogs our pores. I have a combination skin that tends to get oily in the T-zone area. So I like reaching out for a face wash that is mild and does not strip away the natural oils of the skin. So today the face washes that I am going to show you all are affordable and falls below 500 rupees. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. So without further delays, let's get started. The first product is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It is good for all skin type. It is fragrance-free, mild lathering and soap-free formula. So sensitive skin people are likely to love this product. I would like to focus on two major ingredients that it has. First is propylene glycol, which is a humectant and increases the moisture retention in the skin. And second is citral alcohol, which is an emollient that is good for healing and soothing dry skin. So this product is very mild and hydrating for skin. The next product is from Forest Essential, their Kashmiri Saffron and Neem Face Wash. This is how the product looks. It clears the clogged pores without stripping the skin's natural oil and moisture. It is good for combination, oily, acne-prone and sensitive skin type. It is chemical and paraben-free. The ingredients have saffron that is good for glowing complexion, honey that is a natural humectant, Kevra that has antioxidant and cooling properties, and neem that has antifungal and purifying properties. It is on the higher side of the price range, but believe me, it is worth the price. The next product is from Jovies, their Tea Tree Oil Control Face Wash. It is good for oily, combination, acne-prone and sensitive skin type. It has lemon extract, vitamin E and tea tree oil. Lemon extract controls the excess oil secretion, vitamin E smoothens the skin, whereas tea tree oil has a germ-fighting properties to it. This comes in a gel-like consistency with small granules. I have taken some at the back of my hand to show it to you. It lathers very well on the skin. So if you're looking for a face wash that lathers well and leaves your skin hydrated after wash, you can definitely go with this product. Moving on to the next product is from the brand Khadi Naturals, their Neem Face Wash. It is good for combination, acne-prone and oily skin type. The ingredients have neem oil that has antifungal properties and tea tree oil that has germ fighting and healing properties. It removes impurities and fights against acne. If you are looking for a very pocket friendly product that does the job very well, you can definitely go with this product. Next in the list is a product from Simple, their moisturizing facial wash. It has a simple but yet very powerful composition. I have listed down the ingredients in front of me. I'll read it out for you. It has glycerine and propylene glycol that are natural humectants. It has provitamin B5 that keeps the skin soft, smooth and healthy and also has anti-inflammatory properties to it. It has panthenol, which is more stable form of vitamin B5 and is a humectant and an emollient. It has vitamin E that softens the skin. It has bisabolol that reduces the flakiness of the skin and hence increases the softness of the skin. It is dermatologically tested and is a non-cometogenic product. The packaging shows that it is good for sensitive skin, but believe me, it is good for all skin type. The last product in this video is a product from Himalaya, their Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. It is a soap-free herbal formulation that gently cleanses your skin and removes excess of oil. It has lemon extract that acts as a natural astringent. It has honey that acts as a natural humectant. It also has glycerine that hydrates your skin. 50 ml comes for 65 rupees. You cannot ask for a better deal than this. So with that, it's a wrap. Hope you liked the video. Do give it a thumbs up. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.